Hello everyone, this is Scott Hoffhines with Spectacular Media. Welcome to Infinity Talk. Today we'll be talking about one of my personal favorite features of SM Infinity, our emergency alert integration with IPAWS. For those who don't know, the Integrated Public Alert and Warning System, IPAWS, is a federal program operated by FEMA. It provides national and local alerts on electronic devices and signage during emergencies. The system helps save lives and ensure the safety of communities and property by providing a central place to distribute all types of alerts, including severe weather, safety, amber alerts, and many others. SM Infinity is tied directly into this system and can play these alerts on any Infinity-powered digital signage, both indoor and outdoor. In this day and age of connectivity and worldwide communication over the internet, this system was a perfect fit for us. It's just one of the many benefits that operating in the cloud can provide. As I mentioned before, the system is fully integrated with SM Infinity and fully automatic. Alerts are only played in the event of an emergency or public safety advisory according to the proximity of the display to the alert area, and they stop playing when the alert period is over. The alerts are presented in an easy-to-read, plain text format. It's automatically sized for the display and can be set to page through the alert or set to scroll horizontally according to your needs. Alerts cycle in between your existing content and they range in length from 30 seconds to a couple of minutes. The frequency at which they play can be adjusted from the SM Infinity portal at any time. All SM Infinity accounts have access to this great feature, but only users with full owner permissions can enable, disable, and change the settings. Once enabled through the SM Infinity portal, your display will be alert ready within 1 to 2 business days. This gives the system time to populate and verify the physical address, ensuring accurate alerts are provided. We are extremely happy to provide this feature and continue to receive great feedback from our spectacular family of users and partners. It's a simple and easy way for anyone with digital signage to contribute to the community. For more information on the IPAWS system itself, you can visit www.fema.gov/IPAWS. Thanks for watching, and for all of us here at Spectacular Media and SM Infinity, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.